The essence of becoming inevitably loved does not lie in superficial charm or fleeting attractions. It's about understanding and embodying deeper connections and genuine affection. Understanding the essence of love means focusing on what we can control and developing a sense of emotional intelligence and authenticity. In this story, we'll explore 7 key principles that will guide you through the art of making anyone fall in love with you. As Aristotle once said, love is composed of a single soul inhabiting 2 bodies. Remember, do not become an enemy of your own peace and well-being. Before we begin, I would greatly appreciate it if you could click the like button on this story. It helps spread the philosophy of love and connection to more people. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and activate notifications so you don't miss any updates. Number 1. Cultivate genuine self-confidence. Project an air of genuine self-assurance if you want to entice others toward you. Knowing and embracing one's own strengths and weaknesses is a part of self-awareness, which leads to this. To cultivate this, one must first cultivate self-awareness. Consider your deepest values, your unique qualities, and the things that really excite you. Taking stock of your strengths and areas for improvement while refraining from casting judgment is a good place to start. A person who exudes self-assurance have a comprehensive view of their own value. Engage in pursuits that provide you joy and contribute to your professional development simultaneously. Doing what makes you happy boosts your confidence and makes you more relatable to others around you. Friends, mentors, and groups may all be great sources of encouragement, so surround yourself with positive influences. Taking care of oneself is important. Treat yourself kindly, especially when you're feeling down. Accept that you are fallible just like everyone else and that failures are opportunities for growth. By shifting one's viewpoint, failures may be seen as chances to boost self-assurance. You seem more likable and attractive when you interact with others without seeking their approval, which is possible when you exude genuine self-assurance. People are drawn to those who radiate authenticity because it creates a safe and admired environment. When you project an air of self-assurance, people are more at ease being authentic around you, which strengthens relationships and earns you their gratitude. Increasing your genuine self-confidence will help you feel more beautiful and set the stage for more satisfying relationships. True authenticity and inner strength are the 2 most important qualities to have if you want to be appreciated. Number 2. Practice active listening. Having good listening skills is crucial if you want to build real, enduring connections. Paying close attention, understanding what the speaker is trying to say, and then responding effectively are all parts of it. Showing genuine interest in the other person's feelings and thoughts is a certain method to win their trust and affection. Listening attentively begins with directing one's whole attention to the speaker. Put down whatever is distracting you, like your phone, and maintain eye contact. Making eye contact like this demonstrates that you're engaged. When nodding, be careful to interject positive words like, "I see," or "that makes sense" to show that you're paying attention. Asking the speaker open-ended questions will encourage them to share more of themselves. Instead of answering yes or no, have you ever thought of questions like, "How did that make you feel?" Or, "Can you tell me more about that?" In addition to demonstrating your curiosity, this enriches the conversation. Restate what you've heard to show that you understand and are empathic. "It seems like you're very irritated because," is one example. Not only does this clarify the message, but it also supports the speaker's emotions. True active listening entails more than just hearing someone out. Being empathetic is acknowledging their feelings and offering assistance. You could remark something along the lines of, "That sounds really tough," when someone describes a challenging circumstance. "I am here for you." Simply listening to other people out could go a long way in making them feel valued and heard. Here, trust and closeness, the bedrock of love, are established. A person's feelings of connection and attraction to you will become stronger when you make an effort to learn about and appreciate them. Number 3. Show authentic kindness. Sincere empathy is highly prized because of the significant effect it has on people. It goes beyond just kindness. It entails really caring about and trying to understand other people. Any act of kindness, no matter how little, may demonstrate your empathy and make an impact. Cultivating empathy is the first step in developing true compassion. Try to put yourself in other people's shoes and try to understand the world through their eyes. Embracing this perspective enables you to establish profound connections with individuals. Random acts of kindness may take many forms, such as lending a hand to a neighbor, offering a praise, or just being there for someone when they're in a jam. Despite their seemingly little nature, these acts of kindness have the potential to really impact others in your vicinity and demonstrate your genuine concern. Variation adds flavor to life. Make being generous a habit rather than an occasional luxury. One way to show that you're committed to making a positive difference is to volunteer for causes that are important to you. Make it a habit to appreciate the people in your life for all they do and just be there for you. Genuine kindness may also be defined as lending a hand to those in need without expecting anything in return. Through this selfless approach, honesty and true compassion are shown. If you want people to respect and trust you, be honest and upfront with them. Being consistently compassionate will attract people to you in large numbers. Your genuine concern, admiration, and care will only deepen their affections for you. Being generous generates a domino effect, enriching the lives of others around you. True kindness enhances one's attractiveness and contributes to the development of a more caring and interdependent community. Number 4, maintain a positive attitude. Positivity is a magnetic trait that enhances your attractiveness and the quality of your relationships. Both your social relationships and your perception of the world are affected by it. A positive and resilient outlook does not mean you should run away from challenges, but rather that you should face them directly. Expressing gratitude is a potent way to cultivate a positive mindset. Focus on the good things happening in your life and count your blessings, no matter how little. You could start to see the positive side of things and have a more hopeful outlook if you shift your perspective in this manner. Keeping a journal of things for which you are grateful is one way to start and keep up this practice. Surround yourself with upbeat individuals. Avoid toxic people and fill your life with upbeat, encouraging people. Take part in activities that provide you joy and satisfaction, such as physical exercise, creative pursuits, or hobbies. If you want to boost your mood and overall health, try these activities. In all of your interactions with other people, have a positive and helpful demeanor. Congratulate other people, tell them how fantastic they are, and celebrate their successes with them. The ultimate effect is a welcoming and energetic atmosphere that everyone wants to be a part of. Smiling and maintaining a positive attitude may go a long way. When problems arise, have a growth mindset. Instead of seeing obstacles, try seeing them as opportunities for personal development. People will look up to you as an example of how to overcome hardship because of your resilience. A positive attitude spreads like wildfire. People are enticed and motivated to form deeper connections because of it. If you radiate positivity and kindness, people will be more attracted to you and become fond of you. By embracing this approach, you enhance your attractiveness and cultivate more profound and affectionate connections. Number 5, demonstrate consistency and reliability. Reliability and consistency are crucial for building reputation and cultivating genuine relationships. When your actions are consistent with your words, people will see you as stable and reliable. When people have faith in you, they know they can count on you no matter what. Never failing to follow through on your promises is one way to cultivate these qualities. Never be late or slack off on your word. This helps to promote reliability. Being emotionally stable is just as important. Being calm and steady when things go wrong helps create a safe and encouraging environment. Building trust is crucial in love, and being reliable helps with that. When someone has faith in you, they are more likely to be vulnerable and invest more energy into the relationship. When you continuously demonstrate that you are reliable and steady, you become very charming and trustworthy. The foundations of developing affection and regard are strong, enduring relationships based on trust.